Bay, ang ganda ng sunset. So takbo tayo, easy run, 10k. As easy as we can. Let's go guys. Tara, simulan natin. Let's go. 1k. Pacing natin is 7:14. Target natin is 7. Not bad. Let's go. Uphill. Basic. 2k. 7:21. Lalong lumalayo. Wala na ang target. 3k. 650. Let's go. 4k. Wala nang target pacing. Hanggat kaya na to. Chill. Sunset, ang ganda. Let's go. 5k. Let's go. Uphill again. Uphill. 6k. 6k na tayo guys. Almost 7k. To be honest to you guys, di pa ako humihinto. Let's go. Look at that sunset. So beautiful. Just enjoying this view. Yeah. 9k. Lapit na. 10k. So fucking. Tapos na rin 10k. Diba? Hindi ko nakuha yung pacing. So ang goal ko ay walang hinto. So hindi talaga ako huminto, to be honest. 10k. So worth it. Let's go.